Hi guys, welcome back to Guitar Goomba. I am your Guitar Goomba Lucky. And I know it has been a really long time since I've released a video, so here we are. It's been quite a while and I figure I'm way past overdue to announce the winner of our wireless instrument giveaway. And that winner is... Yes, I know that was a really dirty trick. And the reason I'm walking around with all of this in the background is so that you guys can see what I've been dealing with and why it's been so long since I recorded a video. What you're looking at behind me here is what will eventually be my new garage. And then in the area back over there will eventually be office and playroom type stuff. But where I am now used to be my driveway, and this is where I would set up my tools and do the building part of the show. Well, unfortunately, I don't have, a place to set up my tools right now because I'm going to turn the camera around here so that you guys can see what I'm dealing with. And as you can see, this is just a mess. There is stuff everywhere, all up in the way. And through that section right there is my old garage, which is currently packed full of all the stuff that should be here in my new garage, but isn't. So that's why I haven't been working on the giveaway base. I have not forgotten about it. It's still hanging on the wall in my bar, and I have done nothing to it since the last time you guys saw it on the videos. But I'm hoping to be able to get back to that soon, within the next couple of months. But in the meantime, we're going to have to pivot the channel a little bit and gonna have to focus on some other stuff. And the other stuff for right now is gonna be a review of a new amplifier that I got. That'll be the next video, and then after that we're gonna start on the restoration of my Marshall stack. I say restoration, but I'm not actually putting it back to original. I will be making it better, in my opinion. Making it better for me anyway, more personalized. That's what I'll be doing. Then hopefully by the time I finish that and have finished, the reviews and stuff that I have set up, hopefully by the time I run out of that stuff, all of this will be done, and I'll be able to get back to actually building guitars and equipment and stuff. But until then, I believe I said I was going to give away that wireless kit, right? And odd as it is to say, there was only one single entry for that giveaway. Only one person followed all of the steps necessary in order to have a qualifying entry, and that person was Toxic Hands. So normally I would only give 48 hours from the time the video is published for the winner to contact me via guitargoomba@gmail.com. But because it's been so long since I've put out a video, I will give some extra time, and we will go with 7 days, 1 week from the time this video airs, or the time I release it to publish. Email me with your mailing address, continental United States only. I'll cover the shipping. If it's outside of the continental United States, then you're going to have to cover the shipping and import duties and taxes and whatever other fees are associated with it. And the name you want to be on the packing slip. So give me that information and I'll get it shipped out to you as soon as I can. I know that it would behoove me to release more videos. So, until next time, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky saying, keep rocking.